These are dire times for decontamination. Houses, schools, cruises, community centers, all public places need disinfection from coronavirus. But a common query is, how long the coronavirus survives in air and various surfaces. Only one research has been completed on COVID-19 virus in the month of February 2020. Being closely associated with other corona family viruses like SARS, MERS, data from those viruses also help understand COVID-19 virus. According to those researches, two factors determine the length of time the virus stays active on various surfaces. Temperature of the atmosphere and humidity level of the atmosphere. In higher temperature and more humid conditions, the virus was found active for a longer time. In air, the COVID-19 virus was found active for up to 4 to 7 hours before it started weakening. COVID-19 stayed active on cardboard for up to 24 hours. On copper surfaces, the survival time was lowest. COVID-19 coronavirus stayed active up to 4 hours on copper surface. On plastic, this coronavirus stays active up to 2 to 3 days. On metals, SARS virus remained active for up to 5 days. On glass, the SARS virus was found active up to 4 days. On ceramic, another coronavirus COV229E was found active for up to 5 days. With all this said, this virus is not difficult to clean. So with standard 99.9% germ killer solution, you can really decontaminate your house and other areas. So deep clean your surrounding and stay safe.